Welcome student. In today lecture we have discussing the numerical on topic number first, that is the solid state. आपण सॉलिड स्टेटची थेरी पूर्णपणे कंप्लीट केलेली आहे. त्याच्यावरचे जे काही MCQ होते त्याच्यावरचे जे काही न्यूमरिकल्स होते ते आपण आजच्या तासाला डिस्कस करणार आहोत. द फर्स्ट numerical is on the front of you that the density of iridium is 22.4 gram per cm cube. The unit cell of iridium is a FCC, that is a phase center cubic structure. Calculate the radius of iridium atom. Full stop. The molar mass of iridium is that 192.2 gram per mole. हा जो न्यूमरिकल आपल्यासमोर आलेला आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लावलं, त्यांनी रेडियस कॅल्क्युलेट करायला लावली. रेडियस कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला त्यांनी डेन्सिटी आपल्याला दिली आहे 22.4 ग्रॅम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. त्याच्यानंतर आपल्याला झेडची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. झेड म्हणजे टोटल नंबर ऑफ युनिट सेल. FCC, that is a phase center cubic structure. At the time the value of phase center cubic structure is a 4, and by using this we have calculate or we have determined the radius of iridium atom. So that the first statement is on the front of you that the FCC, there are 4 atoms in one unit cell, that is a phase center cubic structure. In the phase center cubic structure the total number of unit cell is 1. The first, we know that what is the formula to determine the density. The density is represented by symbol D. Density D is equal to mass upon volume, and the again is that molar mass into Z divided by A cube into Na. The molar mass you have written in the problem, that is 192.2, and the value of phase center cubic structure, that is Z, is 4. Z ची व्हॅल्यू 4 दिलेली आहे. का दिलेली आहे? कारण की फेस सेंटर क्युबिक स्ट्रक्चर डिस्कस केलेलं आहे. अँड द एज लेंथ यू हॅव ऑल्सो डिटरमाइन, अँड वी हॅव डिटरमाइन द एज लेंथ, अँड देन आफ्टर ऑल वी हॅव डिटरमाइन द रेडियस ऑफ द फेस सेंटर क्युबिक स्ट्रक्चर. मग पहिला फॉर्म्युला काय आला तुमचा? द फर्स्ट इज दॅट द फॉर्म्युला इज ऑन द फ्रंट ऑफ यू दॅट. मग फॉर्म्युला जो आहे तो आपण बघतोय बघा. दिस आर द फॉर्म्युला. This is the formula, that is the density. Density D is equal to mass upon volume, that is a molar mass into Z divided by A cube into Na. Then मग हे झाल्यानंतर आपण त्याच्यामध्ये काय करतोय, किंमत पुट आउट करतोय. पुट आउट केल्यानंतर बघा काय आलं ते. The density D is equal to molar mass into Z divided by A cube into Na. Putting the value, किंमत टाकली, that is 192.2. I have written in the problem, that is a molar mass, into their total number of unit cell, that is a Z, divided by A cube into Avogadro's number. The value of Avogadro's number is standard, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. In this problem, first we have determined the edge length, and after all determine the edge length, we have calculate the radius of the phase center cubic structure. So the formula is modified, that is the edge length A cube is equal to 192 into 4 divided by density into Avogadro's number. म्हणून फॉर्म्युला आपण कन्वर्ट केलेला आहे. कन्वर्ट केल्यानंतर एज लेंथ बरोबर A cube is equal to 192.2 into 4 divided by 22.4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. मग 192.2 into 4, their multiplication is that 768.8. त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं. 22.4 into 6.022 त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केलं. What is the value is on the front of you that? That is 134.8928. हा 10 raised to -23 कसा आला? चेक इट दॅट. हा प्लस होता, वरती येताना तो मायनस झाला. म्हणून त्याच्यामध्ये A cube is equal to 768.8 divided by 134.8928 into 10 to minus 23. आता edge length, this is the edge length, that is the a cube. We have convert this cube root into a, so that a is equal to cube root of 56.993 into 10 to minus 24. But how to possible is that this 5.6993 into 10 to minus 23, this digit is converted into 10 to minus 24, so that 5.6 is converted into the 56.99. So a is equal to cube root of the 56.99.3 into 10 to minus 24, but cube root of the 24 10 to minus 24 is equal to 10 to minus 8, so that here is a 10 to minus 8. Then we have simplification. The a is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 56.99 into 10 to minus 8. After solving this, we have to take the first log. The log of 56.99 is that 7558, and the characterization is 1, so that a is equal to 1 by 3 into 1.7558 into 10 to minus 8. After the division of 3, we have a is equal to 0.5852 into 10 to minus 8. Then we have taking the antilog of this. The answer is that 3.848 into 10 to minus 8. This is a edge length, but we have determined the radius. So edge length is converted into the radius in the face center cubic structure. The relation between the edge length and radius is on the front of you, that the radius r is equal to a upon 2 into square root of 2, putting the value of edge length, and we have calculate the radius, so that radius r is equal to 3.848 into 10 to minus 8 divided by 2 into square root of 2. Value of square root of 2 is that 1.4142, and by simplification we obtain the answer is that 3.848 divided by 2.8284 into 10 to minus 8, and by calculating the r is equal to 1.3604 into 10 to minus 8 centimeter, and the 10 to minus 8 centimeter is converted into the picometer. At the time 136 is converted into the 1.36 into 10 to minus 8 is converted into the picometer, so that r is equal to 136 pm, that is a picometer. These are the problems regarding the determine the radius of the face center cubic structure. Determine the radius of the face center cubic structure. ह्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये फर्स्ट what we have written in a problem, that is a density I have written, then FCC, that is a face center cubic structure, the value of Z is written, and molar mass is a standard here also written. We have determined only the radius, so the density D is equal to m upon v, that is molar mass into Z divided by a cube into Na, and density D is equal to, putting the value we have written in the problem by using the given data, and so we have calculated the value of edge length. So edge length a cube is equal to 192.2 into 4 divided by 22.4 into 6.022 into 10 to 23. Then after the multiplication, the first problem is on the front of you, that a cube is equal to 5.6993 into 10 to minus 23. Then a is equal to cube root of 3, 56.99 into 10 to minus 24, and after the simplification a is equal to 1 by 3 into log 56.99 into 10 to minus 8. and after the solving this by using the log and anti-log, and the value of A is equal to 3.848 into 10 to the minus 8. This is a FCC face center cubic structure, so R is equal to A upon 2 into square root of 2. Putting this value and to obtain the final answer of this problem is that 136 pm. Then next problem we have determined the aluminum crystallized in cubic closed pack structure. Aluminum is cubic closed pack structure with unit cell edge length 353.6 pm. What is the radius of aluminum atom? Then how many unit cells are there in 1 centimeter cube of aluminum? In that problem we have discussing one by one. First we have in that problem what we have given. So first is that the edge length is that 353.6 pm. The pm is converted into the centimeter, so that A is equal to 353.6 into 10 to the minus 10 centimeter. For CCP unit cell cubic close packing, the radius R is equal to 0.3535 into A, or it can also be written R is equal to A upon 2 into square root of 2. So R is equal to 0.353 into 353.6. Okay, so we have determined the radius R is equal to 124.9 pm, and this convert into the full digit, that is R is equal to 125 pm. The pm is converted into the centimeter, that is 125 into 10 to the minus 10 centimeter. This is a R. Okay, so the edge length is written, edge length A cube is equal to 353.6 into 10 to the minus 3, 10 to the minus 10. त्याचा क्यूब रूट घेतला कारण की व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब इज दॅट द edge length of side and their cube. So V is equal to A cube. So A cube is equal to, त्याचा क्यूब रूट आपण सॉल्व केल्यानंतर काय आलं ते 4.42 into 10 to minus 23, and this 4.42 into 10 to minus 23 centimeter cube is equal to one unit cell. Is equal to how many unit cell? There is a 1 unit cell. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to how many? That is x. मग 4 पैकी 3 गोष्टीची किंमत माहीत असेल, चौथी डिटरमाइन करता येते. सो बाय द क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन x is equal to 1 divided by 4.42 into 10 to minus 23, and after the simplification we have obtained the value that is 0.226 into 10 to 23, and after the simplification we obtain the value that 2.26 into 10 to 22. This is the value, that is this is a number of atoms in 1 unit cell. I repeat again this problem. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला काय डिटरमाइन करायला लावलं आहे, हाऊ मेनी युनिट सेल्स आर प्रेझेंट इन द 1 centimeter क्यूब ऑफ ॲल्युमिनियम. मग याच्यामध्ये द फर्स्ट what are the thing is written on the front of that is a edge length 353.6 pm. For CCP, that is a unit cell, radius is written on the front of that is 0.3535 A, or it can convert the in the R is equal to A upon 2 into square root of 2. By using this we have calculated the radius, and the edge length is already written on the problem, that is V is equal to A cube. That is the volume of the cube is the edge length of the cube. So V is equal to A cube, that is 4.42 into 10 to minus 23. This 4.4 into 10 to minus 23 centimeter cube is equal to 1 unit cell. But in problem we have determined the how many unit cell is present in 1 centimeter cube. So there are 4 factors on the front of you. Out of this 4, the 3 have written, and we have calculated the another factors. So x is equal to 1 upon 4.42 into 10 raised to minus 23, and after the simplification we obtain the answer of this problem, that is 2.26 into 10 raised to 22. These are the second problem you have solved in this lecture. The third problem, that is an element with molar mass 27 gram per mole forms a cubic unit cell with edge length 405 pm. If the density of unit cell, the element is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, what is the nature of the unit cell? आता ह्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला काय डिटरमाइन करायला लावलं आहे, what is the nature of the unit cell? And to determine the nature of the unit cell, first we have calculate the value of the z, and after the obtain the value of z, we can be decide the structure is either a simple cubic structure, either structure is a face center cubic structure, or either is a body center cubic structure. So we have solved this problem. First, what are the formula? That is a density D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Putting the value of each, and we have solved this problem. First we have how to determine the value of Z. So we have determined the value of Z to convert the formula in terms of the Z. So Z is equal to 2.7 into 6.643 into 10 raised to minus 30 into 6.04 into 10 raised to 23 divided by the 27. ह्याच्यामध्ये we have determined the first the value of Z. Then we have decided which type of structure is here. 4. Putting this value of each, and we obtain the value of Z. Z is equal to 4. Putting this value, so after the simplification, that is the Z is equal to 4. In this problem, first we are putting all the value of each. प्रत्येकाची आपण किंमत टाकली त्याच्यामध्ये. Z is equal to 2.7 into 66430 into 10 raised to minus 30 and divided by 27. And simplification, we obtain the Z is equal to 4, so that this is a FCC unit cell. This is a FCC unit cell. So by using this, we can say that the value of the Z is equal to 4, hence it is the face center cubic structure. The last problem is on the front of you, that the crystallize in the FCC unit cell with edge length 495 pm. What is the radius of the copper atom? ह्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला काय दिलेलं आहे, त्यांनी क्रिस्टल दिलेला आहे, that is a face center cubic structure. Edge length दिली, the edge length is on the front of that is a 495 pm. What is the radius of copper atom? Here we have determined the radius of copper atom. So how to solve this problem? First, this is the edge length. Edge length A is equal to 495 pm. This 490 pm is converted into the first centimeter. So 495 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Then we have calculate the radius. What is the relationship between the radius and edge length in the face center cubic structure? The radius R is equal to 0.3535 into A. So R is equal to A upon 2 into square root of 2. A into A divided by 2 into square root of 2. So we have putting this value. So R is equal to 0.3535 into 495, because this value is written. So edge length is a picometer, that is a 495 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. So only this figure is multiplied by 495. This is a very simple problem. मग ह्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये काय म्हटलं त्यांनी, रेडियस बरोबर 0.3535 एंगस्ट्रॉन 35 into edge length, so that r is equal to 0.35 into 495, and the simplification we obtain that is a 175 pm, and this pm is converted into the centimeter, that is a 175 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. Here we have discussing the another problem. ह्या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला काय डिटरमाइन करायची होती, रेडियस कशाची, कॉपर ॲटमची. मग वी हॅव डिटरमाइन द रेडियस ऑफ कॉपर ॲटम. फर्स्ट we know that which type of structure is on the front of that. In this structure there is a FCC, face center cubic structure, and this is a face center cubic structure. So A is equal to 495 pm. This pm is converted into 495 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter, and the putting the value of each and every factor, and to obtain the corresponding value, that is r is equal to 0.3535 into 495, and this obtain the 175 pm. 175 pm is converted into the centimeter, that is 175 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. These are the another problem. आताच्या तासाला आपण जे काही 3 प्रॉब्लेम घेतले त्याचे परत एकदा रिव्हिजन आपण घेणार आहोत. The first problem, in that first problem we have determined the radius. So determine the radius so that first we have what is the formula. In FCC there are 4 atoms in 1 unit cell, so density D is equal to molar mass D into Z divided by A cube into Na. When we solve the numerical based on the solid state, the only one formula is important, that is the density D is equal to molar mass into Z divided by A cube into Na. So D is equal to 192.2 into 4 divided by A cube into 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So after the solving the each and every steps in today's lecture, so we calculate the edge length. A is equal to 1 by 3 into log 56.993 into 10 raised to minus 8, and after all the log and anti-log we have determined the A is equal to 1 upon 3 into 175 58 into 10 raised to minus 8. Then simplification, taking the anti-log, we have obtained the anti-log is equal to 0.5852 into 10 raised to minus 8, and after the simplification we obtain the value 3.848 into 10 raised to minus 8, and the radius r is equal to A upon 2 into square root of 2. So r is equal to 3.848 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 2 into 1412, and simplification we obtain the r is equal to 1.3604 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, and this centimeter is converted into the pm, that is r is equal to 136 pm. These are the first problem. In second problem we have also determined the how many unit cell are in the 1.00 centimeter cube of aluminum. So in CCP, that is a cubiculous packing unit cell. In cubiculous packing unit cell, what are the relationship between the edge length and radius? The edge length and radius are related by the one of the formula r is equal to 0.3535 into A, so that r is equal to can also be written r is equal to A upon 2 into square root of 2. So r is equal to 0.3535 into 353.6, that is 124.9 pm, and the pm is converted into the centimeter. R is equal to 125 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter, and we obtain the remaining value of this, that is A cube is equal to 4.42 into 10 raised to minus 23 centimeter cube is equal to 1 unit cell, and this 1 centimeter cube is equal to how many, that is x, and by simplification x is equal to 1 upon 4.42 into 10 raised to 23, and after all we have determined the value, that is a 2.26 into 10 raised to 22. These are the second problem. And the third is that an element with the molar mass is a 27 gram per mole forms a cubic unit cell with edge length of 405 pm. If the density of unit cell element is at 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, what is the nature of unit cell? Here is that we have determined the value of first z, so that the formula is converted into the z is equal to density into Avogadro's number into edge length divided by the molar mass. So we have simplification or convert this problem into the in terms of the to determine the value of z. So z is equal to this, and the remaining value is that the z is equal to 4. When the value of z is equal to 4 means that it is a face center cubic structure, and the z is equal to 4, hence it is a face center cubic structure, that is a FCC. Hence the nature of the unit cell is that is a face center cubic structure. The last problem is on the front of you, that the copper crystallized in the FCC unit cell with the edge length of 495 pm. What is the radius of copper atom? In that problem we have first determined the radius of copper atom. So edge length is equal to 495 pm. This 495 pm is converted into the centimeter, so that 495 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. The relation is that the radius is equal to a into 0.3535. So radius r is equal to 0.3535 into 495. After this, the radius r is equal to 175 pm, and this 175 pm is converted into the centimeter that is a 175 into 10 raised to minus 10 centimeter. In this way, in today's lecture we conclude the न्यूमरिकल बेस अपॉन द सॉलिड स्टेट. सॉलिड स्टेटवरचे जे काही न्यूमरिकल्स होते ते न्यूमरिकल आपण आताच्या तासाला घेतलेले आहेत. इन दॅट फर्स्ट वी रिमेंबर इन युअर माइंड इज दॅट वेन वी सॉल्व द न्यूमरिकल बेस ऑन द सॉलिड स्टेट, the only one formula will be recall your mind or remember is that the density D is equal to Z into molar mass divided by A cube into Na. Any problem is on the front of you that at the time first we have written what we have given in the problem and what we have determined, and when in that we calculate this, the first is that density, another is that value of Z, another is that radius, or another is that edge length. These are the basic terms involved in the problems. After all, we have calculate, then convert the unit. When we solve the problem at the time, the unit is same in the SI system or CGS system. When we determine the radius or when we determine the edge length, we have very well known that the what is the relationship between the radius and edge length in the simple cubic structure, body center cubic structure, face center cubic structure, and the body center cubic structure. Then when the value of Z is equal to 1, at the time it can be said that it is a simple cubic structure. The value of Z is equal to 2, it is a body center cubic structure. The value of Z is equal to 4, it is a face center cubic structure. So these are the values. By using this value we have determined the problems based on it. So when we calculate this problem, these are the very important. So in that lecture we have conclude this point, and after all in the next topic will be conducting on Monday. On that lecture we can be discuss the third article, that is a thermodynamics. Chemical energetics and thermodynamics is a very important topic regarding the 12th science syllabus. In that topic there is a derivational part, it is a pure physical chemistry part. In that chapter we are discussing the different points in that. So in that lecture we here conclude that numerical based upon the density, that is डेन्सिटीवर जे काही प्रॉब्लेम्स होते ते आपण डिस्कस केलेले आहे. उद्याच्या तासाला आपण आता जे काय टॉपिक आहे ते डिस्कस करणार आहोत. परंतु जे काही प्रॉब्लेम्स आपण घेतलेत ते प्रॉब्लेम्स तुम्ही घरी जाऊन सॉल्व करा. जर डिफिकल्टी असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकतात. इथे आपण लेक्चर आता कन्क्लूड करतो आहे. ऑन मंडे वी हॅव कॅरी आउट द अनदर टॉपिक दॅट इज द केमिकल थर्मोडायनॅमिक्स.